I'm so excited to finally be doing this, surrounded by all the notebooks and the notes, because we're trying to do everything as professional and as proper as possible. But I hope you enjoy our ideas, I hope you enjoy the videos, and I hope we can bring something valuable to the table. Thank you for joining. Again, my name is Theo, and I'll see you in the next scene. Back in the car, going downtown to do the DBAs, doing business as. So in Texas, and correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure that this is the way things go. In Texas, if you have an LLC and if you want to do business under a different name, you have to register the DBAs. So in this case, we're going to have the Pata Collection, which is the showroom. Follow the Pata Collection on Instagram. We're going to be dropping the video presentation of that beautiful BMW M4 here in shortly, in about 2 weeks from now. Let's see how we can organize everything. The Pata Collection, which is going to be the car dealership fraction. Then we're going to have the Pata Coffee, which is going to be the coffee shop. And then lastly, I'm going to have the Pata Rental, which is going to be the rental company with the cars on stock. So follow us for that. We're going to downtown. Hopefully we're going to be able to film from there. We're not going to stress people out if we can't, and we'll go back with more information. See you from the offices. This is where Kennedy was shot. You knew that, right? Don't tell me you didn't know that.
I didn't realize it was in Dallas.
Sammy? You didn't know Kennedy was shot there?
No.
Okay, so there are 2 X's on the ground. We're going to do a video.
I thought it was
no,
not in
for all the
Dallas.
people like you, we're going to do a video. There are 2 X's on the ground over there, and he was shot from that I think that building used to be a library or a book storage facility. And how do you don't know? They landed at left field, and they drove through here, and then he got shot, and then the bullet went through the shoulder of the actual Texas governor back then. Here to do the DBAs, doing business as I explained in the car. Probably it's not going to take as long as we think so right now. Oh, I remember it. You're so right. So I had a conversation with Sammy. I was like, I think he was across the street. I was here, but she was right. He was in the back. It's a brand new building. I think it opened just 2 years ago. Look how beautifully executed all of this is. Look how beautifully executed everything is. Beautiful day in Dallas. By the way, I think correct me in the comments if I'm wrong, 3rd tallest building in Texas and the tallest building in Dallas, Bank of America. Okay, we're going to go inside. I'm going to do this business really quick over here. Not really a necessity to take you inside, and to be honest, I don't want us to goof around in official buildings here. We'll do proper business, and then we're going to come out to the story. See you in a second. Back out. We're going to take you now to the showroom. To be honest, the process was pretty smooth. The bureaucratic actions in Dallas, I have to take my hat off. Very fast, very well organized, happy people that work over there, and everybody's truly there to help you. Is not there to put sticks in your wheel, as we say it back home in Romania. I'm very happy with that. We're going to take you to the showroom right now. I'm having a team that's coming to power wash the floor. The floor is made out of, you're going to see, the floor is made out of, I just love, don't you just absolutely love this view? It's a floor that is made out of concrete. It has some cracks in it, but I kind of want to keep the character for now. The whole furniture process, I'm going to show it on camera, how I choose to decorate and put everything over there. But let me open the door because I'm a gentleman. Always open the doors for ladies, guys. I'm going to open the door and we're going to see you from the showroom. Let's talk a little bit about the channel itself and what to expect. I'm very excited because what I'm trying to take you on, it's a journey. It's a transparent journey of how to build a business centered around cars. Check a look at the GPS. A business around cars. The business itself is going to be a boutique car showroom, and it's going to have an element of art. So it's going to sell pieces of art, paintings at this point, and some beautifully done high-end hats. I'm gonna try to attach everything in the video itself and in the description of the YouTube channel. The content itself is gonna be valuable because it's something that I haven't been seeing done before. I'm hoping that more content like this is available for people to show the transparency behind something. But what's really cool with this is that I'm taking you in the journey from the very start, from the very beginning, which means that This is like a huge slalom. I'm like going on a slope, and I'm trying not to like break my legs on those streets right now. Actually, having the warehouse, which the warehouse is empty right now, is under construction, and actually stocking it with inventory, going to the auctions, showing you how all the art is being sent, how all the art is being presented, trying to make a logic blend between all those elements over there, between the hats, the art, the cars, and also, for all the clients that are going to agree to be on camera, to kind of see how the transactions go by, how this business is done. And I think that the content itself, and that's the reason, right? The reason the business is being made, there's no necessarily immediately reason to make the YouTube channel now, but to inform and kind of take you along the way of all the steps that took the business from that point. And also, it's going to be a very fun documentation for me at a certain point to just look back and look at all the steps. See the showroom whenever there was dust on the ground and the front window was cracked. I want to take you to the journey of maybe somebody being outside of the country and dreaming to open a business, or somebody being in a position whenever they want to leave the American dream or do something within the confines of that. So, that being said, I think and I hope that the content itself is gonna help some people that need a little bit. I just missed the turn here. That need a little bit of encouragement, a push, whatever it takes for somebody to get unlocked and be able to put the foot down and start doing something that they've been thinking about doing for a while. I had opened the business before, and in many ways, I wish I could have started this in 2017. But having this opportunity to open a new business that's in a complete different category, right, of activities, right now being in that position, I thought, why not start documenting this from the beginning? We're going to have story times about everything that happened on the way here. We're going to talk a little bit about college, about my scholarship, about me playing tennis, how the idea of coming to the United States came about, how to apply to come here, and many other elements. But the most important, I just want to bring an honest, down to earth, civil opinion about starting a business, all the steps, and hopefully all those elements are going to help even our clients that are going to come and purchase art, hats, or cars from the Panda collection. Back at the showroom, back at the location. So we're inside the showroom right now. That's the corner whenever we stage the BMW M4. That's the corner we're going to stage the cars until everything gets situated. So the next step right now, as you can see, the floor, it's a little bit messy. But this floor I love because this floor has a lot of character, and I'm trying to keep it. So all the cracks, everything is going to bring character, especially when the furniture is going to come in. The furniture is going to complement and bring everything together. The walls have been painted. The AC units have been mounted. This wall was lifted because in the back it's a warehouse. And if we can film the front over here of the whole building, I just love how the wood element blends in with everything so naturally, because it just gives it that modern industrial feel. And I'm hoping with all the furniture that I'm going to bring in and everything put together, I'm hoping that I'm going to be able to bring it in and bring it out even more. So the cars are going to be rolling from there. Clients are going to be happy and rolling with their brand new cars from there. The facade is going to be a little bit changed, but at the beginning, calculated steps throughout the process. We're trying to invest. The mentality that I have behind this is to invest in the inventory, invest into the customer experience, and keep everything from a minimalistic standpoint with the details. After the substantial things are being taken care of, we're going to start putting a little bit more effort into the details, but we're also trying to have a decent starting point from wherever everybody can feel comfortable, and I can feel properly represented the vision that I have for the showroom and everything whenever people move inside. The restroom is there. It was built as a little unit. The coffee shop and the coffee area is going to be under the AC unit over there. And the most immediate point of action that I'm still waiting for the team to come is to clean. And if you can film Sammy right here, it's some oil from a machinery that was used. And the power washing crew is going to come in. They're also going to scrub the floor, and we're going to make sure that everything is going to look nice and squeaky clean. And also, we have those little, which we cannot let them happen here, we have those little bumps and those little metal rods into the floor, and we're trying to make sure that we're not going to affect the cars, especially whenever moving in. So you're going to see couches, you're going to see some rugs. The offices are going to be in the back. They're going to be an open space concept of offices. And what I love the most is the bathroom on the background. What I love the most is that You can see the whole process and how everything started. Now starting this, I can take you in those practical steps, and hopefully all this information is going to be entertaining, but most of all is going to turn out to be useful. So this is the showroom at this point right now. Tomorrow I'm receiving a Range Rover. I'm very excited for that. It's going to be the second car that you can see on the Paddock Collection Instagram. I'm going to drop a little bit of, we're going to drop a pin here or a connection in the description. The second car is going to be staged. Everything is going to be done. And we're going to see you at the next location. Thank you so much for joining me in the first video. I'm more than happy to be releasing the first video on YouTube tonight. More to come every Friday for now. Thank you so much for joining. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video because it's gonna help so much at the beginning of the channel and building everything up. I'm gonna be here, your host. I wanna show them the hats. No. We cannot show the hats. Hats on, you cannot show them because they have hats on. So that's why I'm blocking the camera right now. I'm being like a goalkeeper right now. I think it's a sneak peek, but thank you so much for watching the video. If you share this video right now, it's going to help a lot because it's at the beginning. If you like what you saw, leave a comment, say something about it. I hope you found some things that are interesting. I'm going to keep on sharing the experience at the Paddock Collection and what it takes to start the business from ground up, the collaborations we do, all the fun things that happen throughout the day. And as I'm filming, I'm getting more and more relaxed and more as myself. I hope this resource is gonna prove useful, and if not useful, why not entertaining? Click the bell icon, like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in the next video.
Working overtime to make sure I'll be the scoop. They gon' know me, scoop.